Every single day, 8 billion people participate in a global ritual. We eat, we drink, and we connect. The food and beverage industry is more than just a business. It is the largest and most complex economic engine on the planet. From the soil of a family farm to the high-tech kitchens of a metropolis. It spans across continents, cultures, and technologies. In this video, we go behind the scenes of the F&B world. We'll explore the history of how we fed the world, the challenges of today, and the radical innovations shaping 2025 and beyond. A brief history of feeding the masses. For thousands of years, food was local and seasonal. But the Industrial Revolution changed everything. In 1765, a man named Boulanger opened the first modern restaurant in Paris. He called his soups restoratives, which gave us the word restaurant. By the 19th century, Louis Pasteur's discovery of pasteurization made food safer to transport. Canning allowed armies and explorers to travel further than ever before. Then came the 20th century, the era of convenience. Post-war growth led to the rise of fast food, frozen meals, and global distribution. What was once a local craft became a global commodity. The pillars of the industry. To understand the industry today, we look at its three main pillars. First, agriculture and production. This is the source, the farmers and ranchers. Second, manufacturing and processing. This is where raw ingredients become products. Third, distribution and retail. The supermarkets, cafes, and delivery apps that bring the food to you. This supply chain is a delicate web of logistics. Even a small disruption can affect the price of bread thousands of miles away. It's a high-volume, low-margin business where efficiency is everything. The 2025 trends, AI and technology. Now, we are entering a new era, the digital transformation of taste. In 2025, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing how we eat. AI is being used to predict crop yields and reduce food waste. Smart kitchens now use robots to cook with perfect precision. Personalized nutrition is also becoming mainstream. Apps now analyze your DNA and lifestyle to suggest the exact nutrients you need. Even the way we buy food has changed. Automated kiosks and cashless grab-and-go stores are the new standard. Convenience is no longer just about speed, it's about seamless integration into our lives. Sustainability and the future. But with growth comes responsibility. The food system is one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. This has led to the Green Revolution 2.0. Consumers are demanding transparency and ethical sourcing. Plant-based proteins and lab-grown meats are moving from niche to mainstream. Regenerative agriculture is helping to heal the soil. And circular economy models are aiming for zero-waste packaging. The modern consumer doesn't just care about how it tastes. They care about how it was made and who it helps. The food and beverage industry is at a crossroads. It must balance the tradition of flavor with the demands of a changing planet. From the first cup of coffee in the morning to the celebratory dinner at night. This industry defines our history and our future. As we look ahead, one thing remains certain: food will always be the ultimate way we share our humanity. What do you think is the biggest change coming to our plates? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember to savor every moment.